And I stumbled across a place called the Gecko Girls, and I got it. Let's try it. Let's eat it. This is called the Island Breeze. It has mango, coconut, guava. This is the mango. That's really good. Good. I rate this a solid 7.6. I just would have rated it higher, but it melts really fast, and it's not yellow enough, and it's pretty watery. Coconut. Really good. I rate this a solid 8.3 out of 10. I rated this because the coconut is really, really sweet. It just kind of tastes like soap a little bit. And then the guava. This is the best one. The guava is really, really good. It tastes like cotton candy and an airhead. I rate this a 9.7 out of 10. I rate this overall a shaved ice a solid 8.4 out of 10. Come check out the Gecko Girls. It's really, really good.